You've been told the only way to fix split ends is to chop off your hair. You're looking at your end and thinking, I'm going to lose 6 months of my growth. Most people think scissors are only solution. But if cutting is the only thing you're doing, that's exactly why your length never change. You don't need a haircut. You need a strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove your split end without losing any length, no big chop, no losing progress. We'll remove what's damaged, hide what's fragile, and fix the root problem so they don't keep coming back. Let's be clear, once the hair is split, you can't glue it back together. But you also don't have to cut the whole head of your hair to deal with it, even if you cut all of your split ends. If you don't change your routine, they will come back. That is a losing game. Today, we'll play a long game with hair dusting, and then we'll pivot to a repair and prevention routine so they never return. So what is the hair dusting? Hair dusting is a trimming technique where we only remove the damaged split ends without changing your overall length. We work in a small section and target just strands that are actually compromised. Sometimes it only takes a few millimeters, but that tiny intentional cleanup can instantly make your hair look smoother and healthier. There are two main ways to do this. If your damage is mainly at the very bottom, use the, as I call it, twist and snip method. Take a small section, twist it tightly, and pull the ends out. Target and cut only the fray split ends you will see sticking out. You can do this section by section over a few nights while watching your favorite show. This hack will instantly make your hair look healthier without losing any inches of your hair. I know cutting straight across is faster, but faster is what will cost you length. Now, if top layer of your hair is split and it's higher up, you need, as I call it, bend and dust method. Bend the hair over your finger to make the split ends stand up. Look for them and cut them only. Be careful, don't just start hacking. Unless you visually see split, don't cut. You want to avoid cutting healthy new growth, which will also stick out. That's your healthy hair growing, and we want to keep that. While you're working through your dusting, use any hair oil or any serum you have as your secret weapon to hide remaining split ends and protect the rest of your hair. Apply small amount daily to your ends. It will coat the strands and reflect the light, making split ends far less visible, while also protecting them from friction. Now here is the part most people skip. Cutting and dusting removes the damage you see. But if you don't reduce the stress on your hair and strengthen it, the new split ends will come back. Now we pivot to repair and prevention. Find what is causing your damage. Is it heat? Is it coloring? Is it highlights? Or any other chemicals? And you have to minimize that factor. You have to allow hair to recover. Then actively repair what is left. Use bond builders and hair mask to strengthen your hair from inside out. When you combine dusting with repair routine, the split ends won't come back. Your hair will finally stay healthy as it grows. Now you know the secret. Which technique are you trying to first? Twist and snip or bend and dust? Do you like my names? Let me know in the comments and I hope you get started.